Okay, so this is just a quick video on how to disassemble a 1998 Subaru Legacy Wagon Outback alternator. Alternator's bad. I bought a rebuild kit from Maniac, Maniac.com or Maniac radiator or alternator rebuilds. So yeah, I already took it apart. This is just a quick video on how to disassemble it. So take off the cover here. And there's a 10mm nut in there. Let's take that guy off. And then take off these 5 bolts or nuts. I took them off. And then take off these 4 bolts. And take this little cover off. I guess this goes for the power for the alternator. And then you probably gotta hit it with a hammer or persuade it to come off because it's the bearing inside here is press fit. This one's already loose. Hopefully I can get it off. So yeah, that's off. Oh, I forgot to mention, probably before you do that, you need to take an impact wrench and get this nut off, get the pulley off. And then after you do that, these 2 point, this hole right here, and this hole right here, I believe, holding on this piece was actually riveted in, so I had to drill those, carefully drill those rivets out. But after those guys come out, you can pop this guy off, and this should come out. This is off. And maybe coming off. Comes out like so. And what I'm replacing is this part here. I don't remember what it's called, but it's just after you take the rivets out, it should just come right out. Maybe come right out. That's right. So those just studs come out. Then you should be able to just pop it out. Maybe. Yeah, sorry about that. So after using 2 hands, I was able to pry this out after taking the 2 rivets out. And I actually had to buy a second kit, they actually, Maniac Electric was super cool, and they sent me the right kit when I ordered the wrong kit because their website didn't show that there's actually two alternatives for this alternator. Um, but this part is actually a match for this one. And I guess there's another revision of this alternator, which is slightly different. Notice this tail here, these two bottom ends are in slightly different places. So if you need to rebuild an alternator, just make sure you purchase the right part. Hopefully I'll be able to put this back together and it will run like a champ. Thanks. One last note, it also came with the two bearings to replace as well. So I'm gonna get a puller and pull the bearings off and replace those as well. So hopefully that work goes well, and we'll see. Thanks.